Okay, so how do we then record payments we've made to suppliers? So payments been made to clear certain purchase invoices. How do we record that on Sage Accounting? Let's just have a look at a couple of suppliers. So I have example supplier 1 with a balance and example supplier 2 with a balance. How do we record payment of those invoices? We need to go to the Supplier Payments screen. Once again, we access that through banking. Click on a bank account, go to New Entry, and click on Purchase/Payments. So in the previous video, I went through Sales Receipt, Purchase Payment. Here's our Supplier Payment screen. It's very similar to the customer receipt screen. So if you saw the previous video, you're in a good position to work through this video because it's very similar. A quick way to get here, just like customer receipt, is just by going to Create at the top right and clicking Supplier Payment. It takes us to this same screen. So let's find our supplier. So example supplier 1. Select the bank account that payment was made from. The method used to make the payment, the date the payment was made, so let's say it was done yesterday, the reference, if there is one, and the amount paid. Let's say the whole invoice was paid, so 999. Tick the relevant invoice and click Save. That will mark the invoice as paid. Payment has come out of the bank account, not physically. This is just an accounting transaction. So on the bank account, there will be money out of the bank account for 999, and on the supplier's account, what you're going to see is a zero balance now because that invoice for 999 has been cleared. So you can see supplier payment 21st of October, 999, nothing is now outstanding. So let's do one more. Supplier payment, example supplier 2. Once again, you can do a part payment. You don't have to do payment in full. So it was today. Let's say it was just £100 for whatever reason. If you tick the relevant invoice, it will allocate £100 against that invoice, bring in the total from 1440 to 1340 outstanding. Click Save, and that has been recorded. Once again, recorded out of the bank account and onto the supplier's account against that invoice.